Welcome to your monthly update on what's new in Abyssale. This November, we focused on giving you more creative control and speeding up your daily workflow. We are bringing 3 major updates to the animation toolkit. First, rotation is here. You can now make any layer spin or twist with full directional control. We've also added easing for fade effects, moving beyond linear transparency for smoother appearances. Finally, meet independent anchors for scale animations. You can now define exactly where a zoom starts, regardless of your text alignment. Stop downloading and re-uploading assets. You can now import images directly from URL in the editor, spreadsheets, or forms. We're introducing visual versioning. Every time you edit a generated visual, a version is saved, allowing you to track changes and revert anytime. And for automation users, our API now creates Edit URL and View URL properties, giving you direct links to manage your creatives in tools like Zapier or Make. That's it for the November updates. More precision for your animations and smarter workflows to save you time. Stay tuned for the next updates. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.